Yes, guys, good evening. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Good evening, guys. Please let your friends also know that the session has started. I am fine, guys. Stop messaging. Okay. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. I am fine, Mohammed. How are you? Okay. Can you hear me now, Alok Gupta? Good evening, guys. Okay. Good evening, guys. Today, complete the lab which I told you. before. The previous class we have discussed about the lab. Did you complete the lab? The first lab I told you to. We are going to discuss about the other lab today. If you have any queries regarding the before lab, yeah, only one. It's enough. Only one. If you have completed only one, I only told you to complete only one lab, right? You need to complete only one lab. Okay, let me start a poll so that I'll get an understanding that how many of you have completed the lab, first lab. Did you complete first lab? Yes. No. I've started a poll, guys. Please participate in that poll. The poll section, you will be able to find the poll. Yeah, certificate मिलेगा. Okay, no need to worry. Extra complete. Yeah, lab is not opening. Oh, how it is not opening? Why it's not opening? There should be some issue, right? And we can open lab. Yeah, most of them have completed lab. Abhishek Patel, try to complete it. Sir, is there any way to watch previous recording class? Regarding the recording videos, I'll be informing them. I'll be informing the team and they will get back to you. Okay? And the Telegram channel you have, right? I think they'll be sharing there. Yeah. Yesterday you don't have any session, guys. I think tomorrow also you don't have any session. This coming up session is going to be on Monday. Okay? The next time. Okay. Please participate in the poll, guys. I have started a poll. Most of you haven't completed the lab. Okay. I think most of you are new to this course. Okay. Last session, so yeah, regarding the session, regarding once again, I'm repeating. Regarding that, I will be discussing with the team and I will let you know. You already have a Telegram channel, right? It will open in the income. Yeah, it will only. Yeah, it is going to be open in the incognito mode. Try that. Who was the lab is not opening? Yeah, Abhishek. Abhishek, try to open in the incognito. Sir, can you please explain about the lab again? This is my first lecture. Okay, no worries. I will try to. Okay, I will cover it once again. Okay, I think I have another. Okay, don't know about labs. Okay, no problem. That's the issue. I know. I know. Most of them. Yeah, हिंदी में भी बोलूँगा. हिंदी में बोलूँगा फिर इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा. ओके, दोनों में साइमल्टेनियसली बोलूँगा और एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. नो नीड टू वरी. टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं. सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन द लैब्स अगेन. ओके, इंग्लिश इज बेटर. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. some people need in Hindi also, no worries. The important topics I am going to cover in Hindi. जो भी important है उसको हिंदी में बोलने की प्रयत्न करूँगा. फर्स्ट लैब वाज इजी. I have completed it easily. Okay, no worries, no worries. Some of your friends need to complete them, right? Mohammed, what are you typing here? I'm not reading here. Screen share. Wait a minute, guys. Let your friends also join. Okay. Still, people are joining. Just give them some time. I'll be starting it exactly. Okay. I'll be starting in 1 minute. No need to worry. Today, I my first class. Okay, no problem. I will try to cover whatever we have discussed in the first class. Okay. Hi, guys. Hi. So, नंबर दे दो. हाउ और मैं नहीं दे सकता. आपको टेलीग्राम में मुझे कांटेक्ट करना है उतना ही. टेलीग्राम का चैनल का लिंक है क्या आपके पास? यू हैव टेलीग्राम चैनल लिंक, गाइस? Did you join in the Telegram channel? Yeah, no worries, no worries. From there you can contact. That's okay, no worries. I will be explaining about it again. Okay, आपको क्या करना है पूरा मैं फिर से समझने के लिए ट्राई करूंगा. समझाने के लिए ट्राई करूंगा आपको क्या करना है. Regarding the Google AI Studios, so no worries, no. Google AI Studios, you can go through. What is it? Okay. It is a platform from Google. Google AI Studios is a platform from Google where you can access their models, LLM models. The last session we have discussed about LLM, right? Google have multiple LLMs. There you can add. There you can access them. They have text-based model, image-based model. Latestly, we have video also. VO2. If you are updated with the latest AI concepts, Google have released new video generating platform. Text model is a type of LLM. Yeah, text model is also LLM. Image model is also LLM. Video model is also. Telegram channel does not show anything. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, no worries. I'll be sharing you the Telegram link. Just you the open lab. Okay. Your course name on skill boost to be done. Can you type once? Okay. Just give me a minute. Just what what the course you need to complete is introduction to Gen AI. That's it. I'll be giving you the details now. Let's wait 2 more minutes because people are still joining the session. Exactly at 8:15, I'll be starting the session. Meantime, let your friends know that the session has started. Regarding the recordings, guys, I will be informing you. When you are going to get the recordings, I will be informing you. No need to worry. Yes, guys, if you have any invitation, if you are in a group, please share me the invitation link, guys. Don't share the stickers, guys. If I see anyone still sharing the stickers, everything will be recorded. At the end, everything counts. While getting the certificate, everything counts. Okay. If I see anyone sharing the sticker again, I'll say about later on. It is going to be a 1 month session, guys. You will be here. Okay. If I see anyone still sharing this, okay. Yes, guys. If you are in this Telegram channel, please share me the link in the Q&A section. I'm unable to share my link right now. Okay. Please share the link. जो भी टेलीग्राम चैनल में है उसका टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक शेयर करो. Yes, guys. The one who are in the Telegram channel, can you share the link, guys? Abhishek, Suesh, can you share me the link, guys? You said that you are in the Telegram channel. Can you share me the link of that Telegram channel? Okay, no worry, no worry. Advik has shared the link. Thank you, Advik. Oh, please join the Telegram channel using that link, guys. Advik, I think that the particular link is not working. Okay, I already tried with that link. Okay, it's working. It's working. No worries. As guys, your friend have shared the Telegram link. Please join through the link. If you have any queries, please drop it in the Telegram channel, guys. Okay, once I will be sharing the link. Okay, what's the project you need to complete? That particular link I will share. To complete a lab, that particular lab link I will be sharing. No worries. Just check it. Telegram. Okay. Okay. Beginner's introduction to Gen AI path. Okay, that is what our beginner's introduction to Gen AI. Introduction Gen AI beginners lab. That was okay. Let me share the link. Let me share. Okay, guys, I have shared you the link. Beginner's introduction. Introduction to Gen AI. It's a beginner's lab. You need to complete those. Yes, sir. Okay. What is this? And sir, one another query is that can you guide us on the Smart Intense program how to complete the courses and what the project guides? Okay, no worries, no worries. Regarding the Smart Intense portal, no need to worry, guys. Those courses are not important. If you are completing these labs, that's more than enough. Okay, am I clear with that? Smart Intense portals projects are not important. Labs or running path in Smart Intense, those are not important. If you are completing this, this is more than enough. Okay. Thank you for your response, guys. Let's go and check what is a lab, and first we'll have action notebook. Notebook is here. Control minus LLM. Yeah, this we have discussed in the last class. Basically, what is in generative AI, guys? We'll get give a small recap on generative AI. Generative AI is a model. Generative AI is a model which gives new content. It is going to give new content based on the data which it has trained with. Like, let me give an example of generative AI, how it is printed. Let's take an example of ourselves. Like, whenever we are a child, okay, so how we'll get certificates? Regarding the certificates, guys, if you are completing these labs, that's more than enough. You are going to get the certificate. Labs are compulsory. You need to complete these labs. That's it. If you are completing these labs, that's more than enough. And I'm giving a small example of generative AI, how generative AI works. Like, when you are a small child, guys, जब आप छोटे बच्चे हो, जनरेटिव AI क्या है कि ये न्यू कंटेंट जनरेट करता है, और न्यू कंटेंट के माने और न्यू कंटेंट के माने में आई बी गिविंग एग्जांपल, उसके बारे में मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा. बेस्ड ऑन दैट कंटेंट which it has trained before. बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट माने विच कंटेंट में वो train हुई, उसके कंटेंट का information about query. Regarding which query, guys, I have already informed you, right? No need to worry about the attendance portal, okay? Courses. If you are completing these labs, that's more than enough. Okay? The information about the okay, you are giving an example. Okay, that's good. Where do we get the labs? Regarding the labs, I have already shared you the lab link in the Telegram channel. If you check, the Telegram link is here. Copy the link. Let me copy the link. Once again, I'm pasting you the link. Please go to the link. I'll be condition section also. Probably. What is this? Meeting link? I think that's a meeting link. Okay, no worries. Sir, I have joined today, so I cannot find the link in the PCB channel. Is- Oh, what is okay in the chat? Okay, in the chat. Once again, I have shared you the link. You can find it here. Okay, in the Telegram channel. Once again, I'll be sharing the link. Okay. Okay, let me pin this. Think I can pin this? No, I cannot pin this. Well, can you see that link, guys? No worries. The particular link again I will be posting in the chat box and the Q&A section again. First try to listen to the class. Later on we'll be going through the lab. Okay. First try to concentrate on class first. When you are a small child, you don't know when someone asked you to draw a cat. A small boy know what a cat is. What is a cat? What is it? Does a 3-year-old know what is a cat or what is a dog? No, right? How he is going to learn that? No, let me take, okay, 2 years old, 2 to 1 years old. दो ओके 2 इयर्स का बेटा को, छोटे बच्चे को समझ आएगा क्या कैट क्या है, डॉग क्या है? तो पहले ट्रेन होना है। जैसे वो छोटा बच्चा ट्रेन होगा वैसा ही एलएलएम, जनरेटिव एआई इज बैक्ड बाय एलएलएम, जनरेटिव एआई बैक्ड एलएलएम के साथ बैक्ड, एलएलएम भी ट्रेन होगा। जो भी डेटा हम देंगे कैट बोल के उस डेटा पे ट्रेन होगा। दैट्स व्हाट एन एलएलएम इज। ओ हियर्स एलएलएम। व्हेन ए स्मॉल बॉय tries to understand, try to draw a cat first, he doesn't know cat. First we are going to show images, then we are going to show real cat, then he's going to understand what does cat looks like, what is a cat, then he can draw a cat. The same way llm, based on the data, if we are training with the data, huge amount of data, it is going to learn and it is going to understand. That is what a simple example of llm. It is going to, the boy is going to create a new cat. Dash is going to draw, if you are showing a daily black cat, white cat, brown cat, it is going to, he's going to create a new cat. With this cat, he's going to create a new cat. He's going to draw a new cat, right? In the same way, LLM is also going to understand this is what a cat looks like. It is going to create a new data. Same data it is not going to create. A person is going to create, not create a same data. In the same way, LLM is not going to create a same data. Let's go through Google AI Studio so that you can get an understanding, small understanding of an LLM works. Sorry, that's okay. This is what a data science is. First, we are going to learn generative AI. Let us understand first what is generative AI, then I will explain these are all. Okay. Generative AI. Generative Generative AI is a content, is an AI platform, artificial intelligence platform, which is going to create, which is going to create new data, which is going to create content, new content based on the historical data which is it has trained with. माने जब छोटे बच्चे को बिल्ली को ड्रॉ करने को बोलेंगे तो वो उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा बिल्ली क्या है। हम उसको ट्रेन करेंगे, बिल्ली है, उसको इमेज दिखेंगे, दिखाएंगे उसको, रियल बिल्ली दिखाएंगे, वो तब समझेगा वो ये बिल्ली, वो तब ड्रॉ करेगा। वो एग्जैक्ट बिल्ली नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकता ना, इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट सम न्यू, its own version of building. In the same way, LLM, it is trying to huge data. Based on those huge data, it is going to create a new content. That is an LLM. First, LLM is first built by OpenAI. OpenAI LLM, what we call it, guys, ChatGPT. If you use ChatGPT, it is built by OpenAI. They are the main players who has built the LLM. Then came Google. Google built their own LLM. First it was bad. Then it was updated to Gemma. Now it is Gemini. Google's AI is Gemini. Meta, Llama. Meta has built Llama and Claude. Claude parent companies, I think so. Ultralenics, I think something unique parent company. Claude, it is another platform. These are some well-known LLM up companies who have built the companies. Who has built the LLMs? Well-known companies who has built the LLMs. These are some companies. Now, what is this then? If you are a machine learning, if you are AI and ML student, you can understand it simply. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is we have a data, structured data, like tables, everything comes under supervised learning. In the supervised learning, we have machine learning. Machine learning, again, we have regressions, classification, clusters. Okay, these are all comes under machine learning. Regression models are a simple example of a regression model I can give is whenever a data is continuous माने डेटा बढ़ता ही रहेगा या बढ़ता ही रहेगा या कम होता ही रहेगा. लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट, यू कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट ए स्टॉक मार्केट. वो कंटिन्यूस इंक्रीज करेगा या कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीज करेगा. वो रिग्रेशन मॉडल कह सकते हैं. क्लासिफिकेशंस माने आज बारिश गिरेगा या कि नहीं, या वो सब क्लासिफिकेशन होते हैं. क्या बारिश गिरेगी या फिर नहीं, या मैं पास हूँगा या फिर नहीं, ऐसा नो कुछ. दोज आर क्लासिफिकेशन मॉडल्स. एंड clustering is an here is an example of clustering means a distinct point 0 to 1. If you want to rate a customer between 0 to 1, then clustering model comes up. Did you got an understanding of regression model? Once again, I will give you an example detailedly. Supervised learning means a model which is trained on labeled data, like tables. टेबल्स में लेबल्स होते हैं ना, यूजर नेम, पासवर्ड, वो सब लेबल्स है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी आर ट्रेनिंग और मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल. मशीन लर्निंग मॉडल में रिग्रेशंस है, क्लासिफिकेशन है, क्लस्टर्स है. अनदर चीज है वो सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग में लेबल डेटा है और वो सिस्टमैटिक डेटा, स्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा है. Regressions, I have given an example like stock market. It is continuously increasing or continuously increasing. You are unpredictable. There you are going to use regressions model. Then classification model, where you are going to use to classify something. Does it rain or not? Does I pass or not? These are all comes under classification. Yes or no questions. Clustering. जब कोई कस्टमर को ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं between 1 to 100, a distinct point है. Distinct point means it is determined between 1 to 0. A point, ending point and starting point we have. That is called the distinct points. Then you are using cluster models. Are you clear with the machine learning models, guys? I want a response from everyone. Are you clear with the machine learning models, guys? Did you get it? What is a machine learning model? Sir, I want to inform you. Okay, just wait a minute. Sure. Sir, we are going to have our exam some and it is colliding with the internship. So how can we manage? Okay, no worries, no worries. It's second to 23rd. Okay. No worries, guys. It is just going to be a 1 hour session. Just can you share me your college details so that I can contact with the team? Share me your contact detail, college details. Sir, I have wanted to inform you that I have registered from the course using my college email ID, but I have been completing the labs and the learning path using my personal email ID. Okay, no worries, no worries. Please let me know if it could cause any issues in tracking my progress or getting my certificate. I could provide both mails regarding. Okay, regarding. Okay, okay. Okay, I will try to talk to team regarding the exams. Please try to complete the labs with college mail. Okay, no worries, no worries. If you are following with the college mail or personal mail, no worries. I would prefer college mail for now. College mail से complete करो. That's it, I would say. Okay, no worries. I will try to contact team regarding the exams you have, right? 7th. Okay. Suresh, can you give me your college name? Does clusters not comes under inside? No, clusters is different. Classification is different. Classification means yes or no. बारिश गिरेगा नहीं या फिर कुछ और कह सकते हैं वार होगा कि नहीं ये सब क्लस्टर्स होता है पर क्लासिफिकेशन अलग है क्लासिफिकेशन सॉरी क्लस्टर्स अलग you want to rate a particular rating. It starts from 1 point and it ends at 1 point. Distinct values we have, then that comes a cluster. Am I clear with that? You want to rate a movie 1 to 5. 1 के 5 के बीच में ही आता है. I agree with the Suresh. No clusters. Yes, guys. Who said session is ended? No, session is running on. Cluster again. Sir. Okay. You want me to repeat the clusters again? No problem. I'll be repeating that. Just I will show you some examples of it. Then you can understand. Okay. Already downloaded. Okay. I love. Okay. This is downloads. Zoho. Just give me a minute. Zoho gone. So, mentoring extension. Okay. Long on with that. Just open this one. Zoho meeting can only be created on icon during the online session. Yeah, it's room. Great time. Okay. Just give me just it has already been downloaded. Just give me the extension version of. No problem. I will try to explain it in the notepad then. One note. Okay. Let me open one note. How does a cluster algorithm works, right? Means let me refresh now. Let me log this. There is no need of that. It's a file. There is a file. Where is it? Let me talk. This is no, no. Okay. Okay. Let me water clusters. Those are groups. That's it. Let me give you a small example. Like movie rating. We have movie rating. Movie rating will be from where, guys? Movie rating कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगा? Just respond. Movie rating कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगा? So you can use Excel. Okay, I don't know that. Hmm, Okay, okay, that's easy. Okay, I'll explain. Yeah, thank you. Big thank you. Okay, movie rating from where to where it will be. Start from where and end from where. Yeah, 0 to 5 and 0 to 10 also you can vary. Yeah. Let me, I think this is okay. That's, let me clear a one, two, that's it. One, two, two, three, four, control C, and five. Sorry, my is displayed. Five clusters I have made. In this particular cluster, we have text. Where is text? Oh, it's not text. Text. Okay. Whichever the movie comes under one rating, it is going to be here. One, two is going to be here again. Okay. Four, three, four, and five. Sorry, four and five. Now, whichever the movies are bad are going to be in first. Whichever movies are okay, let's say okay, not bad, not good, okay comes under two. Whichever movies are good comes under three. Whichever movies are okay, whichever movies are great comes under four. Whichever movies are blockbuster comes under five. Let's say that. Right. Now these are all clusters. Clusters are a group. Whenever we have a whenever we have a movie, we are creating it into a group. Let's say this is Okay, let's say this is Zangal, this is Bahubali. These are all movies. Okay, based on that movies, we have created clusters. How these clusters are created? Again, based on criteria. We have multiple other criteria. Like, let me say the first column. Is that one, two, two, one, two, three. Okay, it is not locked. Let's say movie name. Okay, here it is going to be actor name, actor, and it is going to be here. Let's say budget, budget of that particular movie, and here we are going to say box office of that movie. Okay, now let's say okay, lock this. Let's say Bahubali. We have one movie. Let's say now we have another movie. Dangal. We have another movie. Let's okay. Dangal. We have another movie. Let's say these are all the data we have basically. Uh, Dangal. Let's say finally. Let's take some other movie which is not a hit. Hmm, just give me a movie which is not an hit. Sir, can you explain in Hindi? Okay, I will be explaining in Hindi also. Sir, just double tap where you can type. Need to tap. Okay, I can do that. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you. So let's view some movie which is flop. It's a random movie. Okay, let me take from Telugu types. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me take Sunny some movie. See. Thank you. नाउ मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि एक मूवी है बाहुबली डेल सॉरी दंगल एंड अदर इज सम सी मूवी नेम इज दैट्स इट afterwards actors we have in bahubali prabhas dangal amir khan some any other actor बजट क्या है इस मूवी का लेट्स से इस मूवी का 100 crore no a random count I'm giving more that crore it has cost let's say it is 60 crores and let's say this is some okay 40 crores मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि ये क्लस्टर्स को भूल जाओ अब ये टेबल को समझो मूवी का नाम है दंगल बाहुबली एंड सी मूवी नो मूवी का नाम ही सी है तो एक्टर्स प्रभास है आमिर खान है कोई और एक्टर है वी डोंट नो कौन एक्टर है उनका बजट है 100 crore 60 crore 40 crore नाउ बॉक्स ऑफिस ऑफ बाहुबली लेट्स से 200 crore more than 200 crores that cost first I'm just giving you an example here then let's say box office of Gangal cost 500 crores. Let's say this movie have cost only 30 crores. This is the box office of those movies. This is the box office, those movies. Based on this budget and box office, we are going to categorize which movie belongs to one rating, two rating, three rating, five rating, and four rating. Bahubali, let's say Bahubali is going to be rating, that's four. And coming to Dangal, let's rate it five. And coming to a movie name called C, let's rate it three. Three. Based on this, the movies are divided. We have n number of movies. Now, a new movies comes up. मैं इसको हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. समझो हमारे पास मूवीज है, उनका बजट है, उनका बॉक्स ऑफिस है, उनका एक्टर्स है. बाहुबली का बजट है 100 करोड़, उसने कमाया 200 करोड़, उसका रेटिंग होगा 4. दंगल का बॉक्स ऑफिस है, सॉरी बजट है 60 करोड़, लेट से उसका बॉक्स ऑफिस 500 करोड़, उसको समझेंगे हम 5. वेरी गुड मूवी, एक्सेलेंट मूवी. देन एक और मूवी है, नाम है सी, उसका बजट है 40 करोड़, 40 करोड़, ओके. एंड इट हैज एंड इट उसको केवल 30 करोड़ की बजट है, ओके, बॉक्स ऑफिस है. उसको रेटिंग दिया है हम 2 ही दे देते हैं उसको, ओके. अब एक और न्यू मूवी आया है. बेस्ड ऑन दिस यू नीड टू now you need to, okay, add into cluster. Let's say Jawan itself, a new movie. What is a new movie? Okay, a Jawan is there. इसको इसको बजट है, let's say 100 crore again, and इसका बॉक्स ऑफिस 300%. Now let's say इसका बॉक्स ऑफिस 300 करोड़ से. By based on this, we can understand this. It's a let's say it is a 4 movie. How we are going to say it? By simple maths understanding. But while calculating this, does it work? जब आप कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, यह वर्क करेगा नहीं ना. आप करेक्ट एक्यूरेट रेटिंग चाहिए. बेस्ड ऑन द बजट एंड बॉक्स ऑफिस हमको एक्यूरेट रेटिंग चाहिए. उस टाइम क्लस्टर्स का मॉडल हमको हेल्प करेगा. वो ये पर्टिकुलर मूवी किस किस रेटिंग में जाएगा, यही है क्लस्टर्स. दैट्स इट. वी हैव सम क्लस्टर्स. Now we have taken a movie clusters. We have particular based on the budget. Based on budget and box office, we have created clusters. Whenever a new movie comes up, based on the budget and box office it has cost, we are going to give it in a new cluster. But we need a stacks to add in a new cluster. न्यू क्लस्टर में ऐड करने के लिए स्टैट्स चाहिए. वो स्टैट्स कौन करेगा? क्लस्टर एल्गोरिथम्स करेंगे. वही है क्लस्टर एल्गोरिथम. सिंपली आपको क्लस्टर है और न्यू क्लस्टर में जाना है. whatever new item came, it need to be go into new cluster. Good movie, is it a good movie? Is it a good movie? Is it a worst movie? Is it a very worst movie? Or it, let's say, is it a very good movie? Mind blowing movie. These are all the points we have. Did you understand cluster? A new point comes up. Where does this goes to? That's how the movie ratings are quantized. Then it is should come in regression. No. Regressions continuous है. जब continuous है, like मैं वो stock market 10, 20, quantized. You are saying quantized is again another continuous में बोल. Continuous clusters classification, okay. रिग्रेशंस मॉडल कब आएंगे? जब आपका लेट्स से आपका डेटा कंटिन्यूअसली इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि स्टॉक मार्केट, वो कंटिन्यूस है, वो लिमिटेड ही नहीं है। ये क्लस्टर्स लिमिटेड है। सी, लिमिटेड डिस्टिंक्ट वैल्यूज, it is either should the module should be in one rating or should be in 5 rating, between 1 to 5. It cannot cross from that. That's what cluster is. Classification, coming to classification, is it a hit movie or a flop movie? Then comes classification. Based on your problem statement, the models you are going to choose changes. Am I clear with that? जो आपका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में है उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए आपका मॉडल चेंज हो गया। जैसे कि या मूवी हिट होगा या फ्लॉप होगा, उस समय क्लस्टर्स आएंगे, सॉरी क्लासिफिकेशन आएंगे, क्योंकि वो एस आर नो क्वेश्चन को आंसर करेंगे। बाइनरी, बाइनरी मल्टी बाइनरी। जब आप बॉक्स ऑफिस लेट्स से मूवी में ही तीन तीन हमारा तीन को हमारा सॉरी मूवी sorry where is this, it's not working, okay, movie, okay, in the movie only I will try to explain the regressions, regressions, enter, enter, ensure, classification and cluster, regression, classification and cluster, classification, regression and cluster. Okay, when you are finding about बॉक्स ऑफिस, आप मूवी का बॉक्स ऑफिस प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हैं, ये बॉक्स ऑफिस है, मूवी हिट होगा तो 100 करोड़, एग्जैक्ट 100 करोड़ कलेक्ट करेगा क्या? नहीं, 1 to 1 124 crores we can say, 124 crores it can be, let's say 200 crores, 215 crores, 221 crores. You cannot determine your output, right? It is continuously increasing or decreasing. Then it is going to choose cluster, sorry sorry regressions. When it is continuous increasing or decreasing, उस समय आप क्लास रिग्रेशन मॉडल यूज करेंगे, वो बेटर है। बट क्लासिफिकेशन कब यूज करेगा? ये मूवी में ही आप, मैं वो बात कर रहा हूँ, मूवी हिट होगा या फिर नहीं, हिट और फ्लॉप also comes under clusters. Then it is called binary. बाइनरी, बाइनरी माने 0 और 1, या हिट होगा फ्लॉप होगा। बाइनरी, बाइनरी नंबर्स, यू नो राइट, बाइनरी नंबर 0 और 1, बाइनरी। ओके, हिट और फ्लॉप और सुपर हिट और blockbuster, these are all comes under multi-class. No need to confuse between multi-class and cluster again. You क्लस्टर, बाइनरी में जो भी है वो स्मॉल ऑप्शंस ही है, लाइक 4 ऑप्शंस में ही कवर होगा। बट क्लस्टर्स you can cover them. Let me give an example. Movie rating. I have given you a small example movie rating of 5 here. Let me take 1 to 10. We are rating movie 1 to 10, then comes under cluster. Did you understand, guys? Yes, Subhagni. Did you got a clarity? I have given a detailed example of clusters and everything. Regression models क्या है, classification model क्या है. Simple examples, with the simple examples I have explained you. Sir, in particular, more qualified no numerical, I mean words in classification, in clustering supports pre-rating, good, okay. In among these three, only output will come right. Yeah, suppose good, that is good, that is word, okay. So typically it, okay, if you are saying rating good, very good, bad, okay, then it can be a classification. But okay, you are saying that classification is time of type of clustering, okay. Okay, then let me give you another example there. If you remember, in the basics of when you are learning a data science, you if you see every basic image, you can understand that clusters does not stay in the supervised learning. It is a concept of unsupervised learning. Okay, let me show you types of data SSI PNC science. Types of data science, quadrilateral. Okay, data types, not data science. I've asked you. Yeah. Supervised and unsupervised. Supervised and unsupervised. Let me give you an example there. See, if you see here, let me open this image. Uh, See, supervised learning algorithm, classification and regression. Unsupervised learning algorithm, clustering. Why we are here? Why it is here? Because I will give you an example there. Unsupervised learning, like clusters, does not need a target variable. It does not need a target variable. Cluster, it does not need a target variable. Sometimes in some data set, you don't have target variable. Target variable. What is a target variable? Then target variable. If no target variable, also you can use clusters. But in classification and regression problems, we definitely need target variable. Am I clear with that? Clusters, it comes under another algorithm. Okay. Okay, let me see that. Cluster is not relevant in Gen AI. Yeah, it is not relevant in Gen AI, but okay, thank you. But I'm just giving an example so that you can understand what is clustering and what is Gen AI difference. Some people are interested to learn here, right? So I'm explaining. Uncle, okay? Yes, guys. Are you clear now? What is clustering? What is clustering? What is classification? What is regression? Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. I want a response from everyone, guys. Are you clear with it? I need a thumbs up reaction from everyone. Are you clear with clustering and every concept? Yes. 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 Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for your responses. Continue then. And basically, some unsupervised learning means artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, NLP, neural networks comes in. In unsupervised learning, your data is not going to be. Yes, guys, you need to tell me difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Okay. It is time for you to answer. I have explained about supervised learning, machine learning algorithm. Now you need to explain about unsupervised learning. Just give me a small examples, then we'll be continuing regarding Gen AI, and we'll be completing our first lab once again. Before we have completed lab already, then once again we'll be completing. No worries. Yes, guys. I need a response from everyone. What is difference between supervised learning? Okay, supervised learning is a model trained by historical data like supervisor. Then what is unsupervised learning? Doesn't it trained on historical data? Supervisor, okay, that is labeled data, supervised learning, unlabeled data, unsupervised learning. Okay, that's simple. Good. Labeled data is supervised learning and unlabeled data is yeah. What is unlabeled data means? Can you give me example of unsupervised? Most of you are saying that unlabeled data. Data is supervised and unlabeled data. Okay, that is what supervised is. That's clear example of the in unsupervised learning, just no target variable in unsupervised learning. Okay. Examples of unsupervised learning. Data. What data can be in this unsupervised learning? क्या data होता है unsupervised learning में? Unlabeled data is which only we have input set not the corresponding output. Okay, that's a good example there. We don't have okay. That's a good example explanation of that. Unsupervised learning has output data linked input. Okay, okay. No predictions can be done. Okay. Image data, text data. Does this comes under examples of unsupervised learning? Right now we have given the definitions. Text data, image data, video, audio, signal. Does that comes under unsupervised learning, guys? Example call category is not ours. Yeah. Thank you. A message pops before a spam call. Okay, that's good. Understanding of the calls. Okay, and that's also good. Image, text, video, audio, signals, everything comes under unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, what we have the algorithms is what are the algorithms we can build? Yes, they are. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. What are the algorithms you are going to build in the deep learning? What for text? What we have for text? What we have is payment cost. Okay. For text, we were going to have that claim system. Okay. In unsupervised learning, I'm saying it. In yeah, plus okay, unsupervised in deep learning. Okay, sorry. In depth for text, we have NLP, natural language understanding. Thank you, Priyansh. That's okay. Natural for text, we have natural language processing. For image, we have artificial neural network (ANN). For again understanding the next word prediction and signals understanding, audio understanding, we have RNN, recurrent neural network. Yes or no, guys? That is what unsupervised learning is. Let me share my entire screen. Okay, share that. Please in details. Okay, in detail. Okay. In tomorrow, next class, we'll be discussing again for algorithms. Okay. In tomorrow's lesson, we'll be discussing in detail. Okay. No worries. Right now, we need to complete the labs. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear, Subhagni? In the next class, I will explain you. Okay. Because some of your friends haven't actually, so I am not in. Okay. No worries. No worries. If you are not into data science, that's great. You are interested in data science. I can see that. In the next session, we'll be discussing about it. Okay. For now, we'll be completing the lab and we'll be understanding small difference between unsupervised learning and supervised learning. Next class tomorrow. No. Next class, I think on Sunday. Okay, on Monday you are going to have a class. Let me check the calendar first. Okay, then I will be informing you. The next class I will be discussing. Okay, just I will be checking the calendar and I will be responding. Next class when you are going to have. Please tell me. Will there be any another working during the on? Okay, I will be explaining everything. Okay, labs कैसे करना है working labs we have to perform during the class. Okay, during the class नहीं करना है. After the class आपको करना है. I will be explaining you. Fayed, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, okay. Anyone okay from where I have to find them? Okay, no worries, no worries. Telegram का questions no. As guys, tomorrow we have a session. Section there you can ask me anything. On Saturday and Monday we have a session, guys. Saturday we have session, session. You can ask me anything there. Ask me anything session. And okay, tomorrow class I will be explaining on supervised learning and supervised learning. No need to worry. Okay. Tomorrow we have a class. On Monday also we have a class. Then did I is you need to complete those labs. I'll be sharing you every link. Whenever you need, I will be sharing you that. We'll be completing labs, Google Labs, 3 labs. After that, we'll be going through project building at the end of the session and we'll be wrapping up. That's it. Total syllabus. Okay. Where were we? Let me complete this image. Let me have a small understanding. Descriptive AI and generative AI. This is different now. Now, in the latest, we have got descriptive AI and generative AI. Descriptive AI was a past topic where it predicts the model, where it just used for prediction. That's it. Descriptive AI is just used for prediction, where generative AI creates new content. Generative AI creates new content. This all supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Descriptive AI. As you okay, sir, we have completed all the courses mentioned in the skill ballot, or else this one. Oh, only which I am sharing you that you need to complete right now. Regarding the skill wallet, I'll be explaining you. Okay, no worries. We have many more session, guys. No need to worry. Try to complete. Now we'll go slowly. Then we'll be catch up the speed. Okay. Now let me go through the section descriptive analytics and generative analytics. Okay. Sorry. Descriptive AI, generative AI. Descriptive AI used for prediction. Generative AI used for generating new content. That's it. I hope you have gone through the video. Very first video is about descriptive and generative, right? Did you all go through the video carefully, guys? Should I ask you a question from the video, which you have gone through? Before these labs, Just what was this? Before we these labs, we need to complete those, right? We need to complete those thing. Example of descriptive AI. Regarding the descriptive AI, all ML model and AI model, ML model comes under descriptive. This supervised learning and unsupervised comes under descriptive. Like, let what do you mean by prediction there? Like uh, house price prediction. Those comes under descriptive stats. हाउस प्राइस को आप प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हैं बेस्ड ऑन द डेटा, प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे हैं न्यू कंटेंट। नो नो नो, चैट जीपीटी जनरेटिव एआई, चैट जीपीटी जनरेटिव एआई डिस्क्रिप्टिव प्रिडिक्शन में ही यूज करेगा। लाइक बारिश गिरेगा कि नहीं, डिस्क्रिप्टिव। आज का वेदर कैसा है, जनरेटिव। इट विल जनरेट टोटल कंटेंट। आज का वेदर अच्छा है, आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, ये सब जनरेट कर रहा है, वो जनरेटिव है। आज बारिश गिरेगा कि नहीं, वो प्रिडिक्शन, डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैट्स। Okay, let me go to the lab then. Start module. Let's. Okay, now you need to create generative AI. Generate. Okay, yeah, GPT. Transformers we have discussed, right? In the last section, we have discussed about the transformers. That is the transformer there. Okay. Pre-trained transformers. It is already trained. Is it like predicting house prices on learning from the task past data? Yeah, it is going to predict house price prediction based on the learning of past data. That comes under a regression model, right? But if you are asking a house price for a particular land, ChatGPT not going to give that correctly because on that data it does not train. ChatGPT need to be updated daily and land rates also updating daily. It cannot predict that. But coming to descriptive stats, we have ML models, regressions, they can predict. Difference between descriptive and generative AI. Just first you need to create an account, guys, in Google. First, whoever are new to this class, search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. Search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. After searching for that, click on very first link. Then complete the. Then you will be getting a sign in option there. Complete the sign in option. Okay, complete the sign in and get back here. Okay, सब वो करके आओ, साइन इन करके आओ। जो भी करके जो भी न्यू है क्लास को, सेशन को, प्लीज कंप्लीट दैट एंड गेट बैक टू दिस सेशन। Search for what I have told first. Go to Google, search for Google Skill Boost. Click on very first link. You will be redirected to this specific page. After that, sign in and get back here. Am I clear with that? Just complete that and get back here. Completing, just say completed in the Q&A session so that I can understand you have completed that. पेमेंट ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा। able to find the link. Okay, I'll be sharing the link because I did not able to find the link. So please help me, sir. Sir, what to do? What I search on the skill boost. Okay, you have logged into the skill boost. Okay, just wait a minute. College ID say personal ID. Okay. Regarding that, try do it with college ID, guys. College ID से join करो. Let me share you the link of that. Okay, Google skill boost. पैसा नहीं मांगेगा guys. It will not ask you for money. Payment के लिए कुछ भी नहीं पूछेगा. I have shared you the link Google skill boost. After completing this, just type done. I want a done from everyone. Then I will be continuing what you need to do. Okay. Yes, guys, I hope everyone created your own account. I want a done from everyone. If you have created your account, please give me a done. Okay, so that we can continue. Okay, no problem. The one you have done, I think you have done before, right? The one who are new to the session. I'm asking you for that. Already done. Yeah, that was I'm repeating again. Suyash. If you are done, just if you are already done, no need to worry. The one who are new to the session, they need to know. Just they will be waiting 1 more minute and we'll be continuing what you need to do. Okay, if you have created guys, that's okay. Just wait. Just to create their account, okay. Sir, have some issue with my college mail. Can I go with person? Okay. If you are facing one issue, okay, let me just give me a minute. I will contact him and I will let you.
Okay, guys, if you are facing any issue with the OS mail, try to log in with your personal mail. Okay, no worries, you can go with the personal mail if you are facing any issue only. If you are facing जब कोई इश्यू फेस कर रही है तब भी पर्सनल मेल से लॉग इन करो. ओके. ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू देन. Yes, guys, please get back to the class and focus on the class now. Okay, what you need to do, I'll be explaining you detailedly. Okay, after completing, okay, after completing what I have explained, just you can work on it. Okay, first, please concentrate on the class first. Okay, I think the one who are facing some issues, Priya, Lalit, Suyesh, please concentrate on the class first. Let's talk. Let's after completing the class, you can go through it. पहले क्लास में कंसंट्रेट करो, फिर से देखेंगे वो. ओके, cancel this. Okay, can I share this? After logging in that, just search for learning introduction to Gen AI learning path. Please search for this. After logging into that, please search for this. Okay. After logging into that, please search for this one. Okay. Sir, I have logged in with the college ID on the Google, but on Skillboost login with personal ID. Will it whichever you have logged in with the Skillboost, please use that ID only. Okay. Skillboost पे जो भी आईडी से लॉगिन कर रहे हो उससे ही लॉगिन करो. जिससे भी रजिस्टर हुए हो उससे ही लॉगिन करो. Am I clear with that? Sir, I have joined first time in the class. Yeah, Anat, I will be explaining you very detailedly. Just listen to me again. First, go to Google, search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. I click on very first link, Google Cloud Skill Boost. Not on Google of Developers, just look on Google Cloud Skill Boost. That's another thing. Let me share you the link, okay? Control C. Just save this links so that after the class you can go to them. Okay? This is the platform you need to search for. After that, you need to log in. Here you are going to find a login button. I have already logged in. If I haven't logged in, it is going to show me a login button. Let me log out first. See, sign out. See, it is going to show me a sign up button. Okay. Then continue as Ritik. Okay, just okay. Sign up. After clicking on sign up, you can go with sign up with Google. After clicking on sign up with Google, you either you can go with sign up with Google or you can create your password. I prefer preparing your password. समझ में आया क्या? मैं क्या प्रेफर कर रहा हूँ? पासवर्ड क्रिएट करो. आपका ईमेल दो, पासवर्ड दो, लिंक आएगा, ओटीपी आएगा, वो सब दे दो. योर अकाउंट विल बी क्रिएटेड. ओके. साइन अप करो. ओके. डोंट ट्राई डायरेक्ट साइन अप. Best if you are creating password, you can log in into any other account later on. Okay. Password create करो. Am I clear with that, guys? Right. Okay. About Google Cloud. Google Cloud. Okay. Google Cloud is a platform where you can learn the latest concepts of Google. Like, see, we don't have only introduction to Gen AI, guys. We have many other Like, let me go to the home page of the Google. Okay, this is the home page. Okay, you can learn many other things here. Okay, right now let's explore. Explore. This is just a learning platform by Google. Like we have Cognizant classes for IBM. We search for Cognizant classes. We have that for IBM. Same way for Google. This is just an learn. You can learn anything here. Big data, regarding the data, AWS with AWS. That's good. Manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud. Google Cloud Skill Boost. Okay, Google Cloud is separate. Google Cloud Skill Boost is separate. GCP, Google Cloud Platform is separate. Google Cloud Skill Boost is separate. Google Cloud Platform, you are going to run your application there, just like AWS. Same like AWS. Just Google Cloud is different again. Google, आपको AWS पता है? Google Cloud is same like AWS. Is same like AWS. You deploy application here, same way Google Cloud पे भी deploy कर सकते हैं. But Google Cloud Skill Boost is different. Google Cloud Skill Boost में ही आपको समझ में आएगा कि आ रहा है कि आप आपका स्किल बूस्ट कर रहे हो इधर. You are learning something, learning path. Just like cognitive classes of IBM, you have for Google. This is the platform. Am I clear with that? Google Cloud, Google Skill Boost. You need. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Now let me go and make something. Like after logging in, yeah, who was it? Anand, are you clear? Up till here, everything is clear, Anand? Just respond me. Is it clear, Anand? First, you need to search for, yeah, first you need to search for Google. If Google Cloud Skill Push. If you don't want to search, just click on this tab, then you will be directly redirected to that one. Then, after searching for that, you need to log in. In the login, I have already told you, create your password. While signing up, create your password. Instead of directly logging from the Google, create your password. So that whenever you want to open it in another laptop, you can open it easily. Password से login करो. वही बोल रहा हूँ. That's it. After that, what you need to do? You need to search for. This is not searching for into beginners and also search for beginners introduction to Gen AI. This is the one you are going to get. Beginners introduction to Gen AI. After that, go search this for this. Okay. लॉगिन करो. उसके बाद सर्च बार में इसको सर्च करो. Am I clear with that? Am I clear with that, Anand? After that, you need to click on start. Okay, just I'll be signing out once again. Very first time what you are going to get is that, like, search. I cannot search here. Not only without logging I cannot search. Let me click on that link then. Okay, beginners. Control F. B. AGIN. Okay. I've shared you the lab link also. Just go to this link again. Once again, I'll be sharing you the lab link. Please go to this, guys. This is the learning path you need to complete. Learning path, sorry, learning path link. या ये सर्च करो सर्च बार में या ये लिंक डायरेक्टली दबाओ. ओके, सी start learning you will get. Start learning, just go to start learning and start it. Of 5 activities we have. Okay. First 3 activities में क्या cover होगा कि introduction to generative AI, you are going to cover this. Then descriptive AI, that is we are going to understand. Then prompt engineering, what is Google and AI. Then in those 3 labs you need to cover. After completing those 3 labs, what you are going to get is just I think I am logged in here. Yeah. After completing those 3 labs, you are going to come here in the fourth, coming to fourth module. Sorry. After completing those 3 activities, you are going to enter your fourth module. In the fourth module, you are going to have labs. Am I clear, guys? Get back. First, if you see here, we have 5 activities. First 3 activities you are going to learn. You are going to watch a video and you are going to answer Q&As on that videos. पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज में हमको पूरा 5 एक्टिविटीज है. पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज में आप वीडियोस कवर कर रहे हो, उसके बारे में क्वेरीज कवर कर रहे हो. उसके बाद में वीडियो में, उसके बाद वाला एक्टिविटीज में, फोर्थ एक्टिविटीज में आप लैब्स कवर कर रहे हो. आई एम आई क्लियर विद दैट गाइस? आई नीड अ थम्स अप रिएक्शन फ्रॉम एवरीवन गाइस. आई एम आई क्लियर विद दैट? Up till here everything is clear, right guys? Just bear me for 10 more minutes, 20 more minutes. The session is going to be ended. Just I want a response from you. Yeah, thank you for your response, guys. After clicking start, you are going to complete these labs. Complete all those 3 labs and with the quiz, complete quiz and labs. After completing that, you are going to come into labs. Fourth activity is going to be labs. Prompt designing in Vertex. The very first lab is going to be your prompt designing in Vertex. Then let me read everything. What is saying? That quick tip: review the prerequisites before starting your lab. Yeah, running your lab. What we have in prerequisites? Let's go and check. What we have in prerequisites here: basic Python programming. You need to have understanding of basic Python programming. General AI concepts. Okay, sorry. General API concepts I will be covering in tomorrow's class, guys. I have already covered in the previous session. As someone is new to the session, once again I will be covering this API concepts tomorrow. Okay. All three. What does your all 3 labs? No, guys. Just wait a while. I'll be explaining every lab carefully. Then only you need to complete them. Okay. All 3 activities you are saying. All 3 activities completed. Just start this lab. Okay. After that, are you saying about activities or labs? These are activities. These are labs. Okay. I think task means you are talking about activities only. And the fourth activity is going to be this lab. Read it carefully. Every step you need to read it now. Then only you can understand. Overview of a lab. In this lab, you are going to understand prompt designing. Okay. In this lab, you are going to understand prompt designing. These labs explore prompt engineering and best practices for designing effective prompt, improve quality of LLM generating response. What is based on your prompt only, it is going to give the response. This step you can understand that. Why prompt engineers are in a hype nowadays? Why we are getting more jobs from prompt engineering? Because to get a good or response, prompt engineering is needed. Basically, we need to understand that if you have a good English knowledge, prompt engineering is simple. Let's go understand. This is what in this he's going to give us a simple techniques. Like for writing a prompt, he's going to give concise, specific, and well defined and focus on task. And these are all the steps you need to do. Whenever you are writing a prompt, you need to check these are all. Then only you are going to write a good prompt. Coming to Gemini. Gemini, I have told you, right? The image I have told you. Google have one LLM. What is that? Gemini. Gemini AI in Vertex AI. Gemini AI in Vertex AI provide a unified platform for interacting with Google models. Gemini API key in Vertex AI. Vertex AI is a platform where you can run the applications. Gemini API key using Gemini API key. Regarding the Gemini API also, we will be discussing in tomorrow's class. No need to worry. To allow developers to easily interact with the powerful capacity of the application. There is okay. If you go through the documentation, everything you can understand what to do about this, sir. When I am going to link it, ask for the payment. No, no payment will be asked, guys. Yes, guys. Do anyone are facing this issue? Did anyone face this issue, guys? No, no. As I gone through, no, it will not ask you for a payment. Try to think. I think you are logged in. You are already logged in. Please try to go through this specific link. Did you go through this specific link, Anand? Just let me paste it again. Please try to go with this specific link. It will not ask you any payment. Skill boost, it is just in beginning. Okay, so yeah, try to go with specific link. I think you're done any other link, just go with this specific link. Vertex AI, you are going to download on building an application. Vertex AI is a platform where you can build an application using Gemini AI. Are you clear with the Vertex AI, guys? Okay. Later on, every lab you are going to do on Vertex AI only. Beginners, advanced, intermediate, every lab you are going to do on Vertex AI only, or any other platform. Okay. Flask we have. Okay, this Flask also will be discussing in the next class. No worries. The previous class we have discussed. Okay. Jupyter Notebook. I think you have some knowledge on Jupyter Notebook. Writing a Python code, you use Jupyter Notebook. Objectives. In this lab, you will learn how to get this started with the prompt engineering using Google AI SDK. Google AI SDK. Google have a cloud platform, software development kit. AWS has a software development kit. Google has an development kit, where you can deploy your project there. Apply best practice for the prompt designing, including conciseness, specificity, and task definitions. Okay. Here in this particular graph, what you are going to do? Prompt designing you are going to do. Okay. Explore various text generation using use cases with okay. Ideation, questioning, answering. Sorry. Explore various text generation using use cases with generative AI SDK such as ideation. You can explore your various text cases if you want to. There, okay. Before everything is detailedly given here. Yes. Every step from here, steps and requirements. You need to follow every step so that you can complete the lab. Every lab, if you want to complete, please follow the step. If you check here, for now it will be a username. Now, after just remember this, what it is going to check. Let's see that. Click on the start lab. If you pay for a lab, a diagonal option is going to, oh yeah, if you see here, it is going to dialog box here, you can see that it is going to pop up. The open cloud collision button will run. You will be, when you click on a start button, if I click on a start button, I am not a robot.
This is not ready to task. Okay. If I click on a start button, Google Cloud Console is going to open. Oops. Did I complete any lab? Okay. Why it is not giving any option to start then? What? I think I cannot record. I should stop sharing. I think so. Yeah, it's working. Okay, sorry. Before I have logged out, right? For showing you every step I have logged out. If I reload it, I will see that I am logged out. That was I'm not able to start. Just a minute. Yeah, I have logged out. Before I have logged out, I remember. Before I have logged out, that was I'm unable to start. No need to confuse guys. And in the log, sorry. मैंने पिछले बार लॉग आउट किया इसलिए मैं फेस कर रहा था मैंने रीलोड किया आप लॉग इन किया अब लेट्स क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट नॉट ए रोबोट वन सेकंड सी अब एवरीथिंग ओपन आ गया this is what you are going to see. Okay, every time if you are opening, this is what you are going to see. In this specific time only you need to complete. Where is this? Startup access to the standard internet browser. Okay, recommended. Then you need to open this. See, use an incognito mode or a private browser window to run the lab. To run this lab, it is saying to use incognito mode. Why? This prevent conflicts between your personal account and student account, which you cause extra charges. Yeah, this is a student account, guys. Whenever you have a personal account, this personal account and this is another account. This should not be interacted. So they are saying that to open it in a incognito mode. Am I clear with that, guys? Why we need to open in an incognito mode? Because we have another account here. This is another. So to not have conflict there, so we are creating another account. Sorry, we are going to open it in incognito mode. Yes, guys, are you there or not? Just I need a response from everyone. Yes, guys, are you listening to the session? Are you in the session? How many activities? No, complete only this lab, not activities. I'm not talking about the activities. Complete only for today. Only complete this lab. Okay, am I clear with that, guys? Yeah. Thank you for your response, guys. Let me open a new tab. Okay, thank you. Then let me open in a new incognito mode. Open in a new incognito mode. Let it read out for. Sorry. We can start. Okay, everything is done. What? Okay. Time to complete the lab remains. Once you start, you cannot pause the lab. Yeah, you cannot pause the lab. You can end it or you can start it. That's it. That's what it is saying. Use only student account for lab. If you use different lab mode, you can insure charges to your account. What is saying here, guys? You should use only student account. If you are creating and using any other account, you can you can you can get charges. So incognito mode, go to student account. Please don't change this account. Am I clear with that, guys? Am I clear with that? Okay, thank you for that. Don't use your account. Yeah, coming to now. I open in the console. These are all the region, US East state. I think for Amazon AWS, US East state in Los Angeles. I think for this, I think we don't. Please tell what to do, sir. Okay. Uh, console cloud. What is it? CONS cloud
Console dot. I think you are Cloud Google. You are trying to. You are not searching for Google console. Google console guys. GCP console. GCP को रन करने के लिए console है. ये नहीं है. Anand, once again I am repeating you. Please search for not Google Cloud. Google Cloud skill boost. आप Google Cloud को सर्च कर रहे हो. I have already explained you here, right? Google Cloud another thing है. Google Cloud skill boost another thing है. Please search for Google Cloud skill boost. Am I clear with that? या डायरेक्ट इस लिंक पे क्लिक करो आनंद. प्लीज ट्राई क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस लिंक. ये लिंक यूज करो. स्किल बूस्ट. वो क्लाउड क्लाउड का प्लेटफॉर्म यू क्लाउड का अकाउंट बना रहे हो आप, इसीलिए आपको एरर आ रहा है. ओके. 40 minutes left. Let me continue the lab. See, before it was showing username, now it is going to show the username account. I think you have observed that. Important. You must use this credential labs provided. Do not use cloud account credentials. Yeah. Don't use any other cloud account credentials. Use this particular account credentials only. It is saying that. Okay. After that, he's saying us to search for. Every step is given it here correctly, guys. Click through the submission page. Accept the terms and conditions. Do not add recovery options. Yeah, no need of that. Everything is given. It is already logged in. Okay. If it is not logged in, you need to follow this step. For me, it is already logged in. See, okay, I understood. It is already logged in. If it is not logged in, you need to follow some steps like, see, if you don't see the notebook, please start it and reset. Okay, no need to worry. If you are not logged in, you can use this password and username and log in. That's it. It will log in. No need to worry. Okay, every time it will be logged in. Country, India. Okay, let's say US. It would be good. You can choose anyone, guys. No need to worry here and there. It will be changing later on. You are not going to get this only. Don't switch account, guys. Either account. Use this only. Use the account. This account only. Account switch mat karo. Yही account use karo. I am repeating you this thing multiple times because it will charge you later on if you change that. वो जो account वो दे रहा है वही account use करो. After that, what is? After that, what is? Let's go and check what is saying. After that, he says that add in few moments. After a few minutes, Google Cloud opens. Okay. To access Google Cloud product and services, click on navigation menu or type the services. If you want to know the service, what are the service? If you want, you can type it here. Vertex AI. Okay. Or you can find it here in the menu bar. Let's go to navigation menu. After that, after coming to navigation menu, what is saying? Open the notebook on Vertex AI. Then click on Vertex AI. You need to click on Vertex AI. Navigation bar, Vertex AI. See, details that we are given. Vertex AI, navigation bar, Vertex AI. Click on Vertex AI. Then work branch. Where is it? Yeah. Navigation bar. Have clicked. Go to Vertex AI. And click on Workbench. After clicking on Workbench, yes, guys, please listen to the session carefully. Sir, student account means account given by college. No. Student account means given this account given by Google. People have given you a temporary account. Okay, is that clear? Don't use your account. That's what I'm repeating you. Student account means you can account given by Google people. Are you clear with the doubt? Yes or no? Okay, okay, how to happen? Okay, no problem. This account, your account is different. Student account, this account is different. Don't use your account. It may charge you later on. Okay. After this, what is saying? Find Vertex AI Jupyter Lab instance and click on Open Jupyter Lab. We have an instance. We are already running an instance there. Then click on Open Lab. He said that click on Open instance. To run an application, you are going to use instance. We have a database here. I think we have a database also. Oh, okay. What is just give it a time. It will be loading up. Okay. In the meantime, if you have any query, please drop it in the Q&A section, guys. It has opened. In the meantime, if you have any query, please drop it in the. Okay. Yeah. No queries. If you don't have a new notebook, please follow the additional steps to reset the instance. Close the browser from the, if you don't find the notebook, the Jupyter notebook, the instance which we have talking about, you need to restart it again. Okay. No problem, you will find it. After that, what is saying that open the intro prompt design. First task has been completed, guys. Task one has been completed. Open Vertex AI, go to workbench, open Jupyter Notebook. First task is that, and second task, what is the second task? Intro prompt design, introduction to prompt designing. That's what that is. Okay, let's open that. He's saying that click on introduction to prompt designing. See, kernel, this is the kernel you need to choose. Everything will be given there, guys. Don't change the kernel. He said that choose Python 3 for. Please, guys, follow the every step detailedly. He will be given. Follow that and understand how it is done. Whenever you want to build an application later on, you can understand it easily. Python. Okay. After that, he's saying project use location US East. Okay. Everything will be there. No need to change anything. After that, E2, EC2, E2. That's all in AWS. If you have gone through AWS, EC2, here we have it. Let's go to the overview. Again, overview. Here, what we'll be saying that the project. Here, you are going to understand prompt engineering. I will give a small brief about the total project. What this IPYNB file about. IPYNB file means integrated Python node. I hope you know what is IPYNB file is. IPYNB integrated. Most of you are working on this, right? Jupyter. Jupyter notebook extension is IPYNB. What is that? Integrated Python notebook. I P Python and notebook note the book. That is what IPYNB stands. Jupyter notebook extension is IPYNB. Then okay, here it is here it is saying that you are going to understand what does a prompt engineering, how does a prompt engineering in the total IPYNB notebook. This in this particular notebook you are going to understand. First we have conceive. First you are going to understand conceive, then you are going to understand specify and brief and at test time. These are all the things you are going to understand. Let me go and explain you the step by step process. Note you need to, you can skip any notebook cells that noted Claudia. These whatever the anything you have any disturbance cell, you can skip that. And he is saying that check your progress very well. First he is saying that install package and import libraries. How you are importing a libraries, guys? First install package is already given. Install using people install, you are going to install. Then you are going to use import command to import. If you are running these two lines, okay, sir, we are already completed this previous lecture. Yeah, we have completed, guys, but some students are new to the session. For them, I am repeating. Most of them, not some, most of them. In the very bug when in the very beginning chart, if you go and check, most of the students have asked for this. Okay, that was I am repeating again. In the starting of the sessions, we have discussed everything, right? No need to worry. Just have completed those steps, right? Porting and installing has completed. Let's go and check the progress. Just stay in the session, guys. Attendance is mandatory. If you stay till the end of the session, you are going to get the attendance. Am I clear with that? Just please stay in the session. I'm going to end it very soon. Okay? 5-10 मिनट में हो जाएगा. Please stay in the session. Okay. I have completed this process, guys. वो steps मैंने complete किया. Installation and importing package. Am I completed, guys? Yes or no? I completed, right? जब आप देखेंगे here, 1 1 means this particular cell has been run. First cell, second cell. And if I click on check progress, if you see 10 marks will be added. Sitting installing packages, I had 10 marks, thus 10 marks has been added. In the same way, you need to complete all those 100 marks. Let me go and complete the second task now so that you can understand how the progress is improving. Let's see. Prompt engineering is all about how to design your prompt so that the reason is what you were indeed hope to see. The idea of using unfancy prompt is minimizing the noise you have prompt to reduce probability of LM misinterpretation. What is said here means whatever the prompt you are giving, like if I go to ChatGPT, if I ask, hi ChatGPT, tell me the cricket score today. We are asking the if you are asking ChatGPT that, it cannot understand. You are asking about, are you asking about a India cricket score? Are you asking about England cricket score? Are you asking about Australian match cricket score? Cannot understand. To to understand prompt engineering, what does a prompt engineer? How does a prompt engineering works? This particular module is this particular lab is. I hope you have gone through the lab carefully, every step. Please follow every step carefully so that you can understand how prompt engineering works. These are all the steps you need to understand. First console, then specify, well-defined. Let me go through everything and we will understand. Check your progress. How to check? Run through B conceive section in the notebook. He's saying that go to the notebook and run this particular. You would like to receive offline, so no need of that. No need of that. No need of that. No need. Okay. Import. This is also run every line for now. After that, load model. We are loading flash model, guys. I will be explaining about the flash model again in tomorrow's session. No need to worry.
And coming to console line, I am running console this prompt. If you not recommended prompt is saying that it is a not recommended prompt. Why it is not a recommending? What do you think could be the good name of flower shop that specifies in selling bouquets of dry flowers more than fresh flowers? Why is saying this? Rock movement. Why is saying that not recommended prompt? Let me show you the recommended prompt first, and let us understand. Suggest a name of flower shop that sells bouquets of dry. It is simple, guys. The prompt is very simple and very understanding. If you see, what do you think could be a name? This is not you are going to write a prompt. Prompt should be simple. Think ChatGPT like a second brain and talk to it. This is what the prompt explains about. Suggest a name of a flower that sells bouquets of a dry fruit. Here it is a huge prompt. What do you think you could be a name, good name for it? These are all not needed. Did you understand difference between conceive prompt and a non-conceive prompt? This is not conceive. It is not simple to understand for a LLM. This is how prompt engineering first step we have completed. Now let's check, did we complete the step or not? Check my progress. See, the conceive lab is also completed. In the same way, you need to complete all those steps and you need to understand everything detailedly. Am I clear with that, guys? The tomorrow session, I will be trying to complete everything and I will try to explain. I need to explain, right? Everything will be explained. Okay, guys, with this, I'm ending the session. I think I have already taken 10 minutes more from your time. Okay, no worries. Thank you for joining, guys. Try to complete slab and get back. Try to understand and complete. Okay. If you not complete, also no problem. I'll be completing it tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have session, guys, at the same time. No worries. Okay. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Yeah, don't use any other stickers apart from thumbs up and thumbs up. Thank you. We will be, yes, guys, everything will be recorded and will be. Oh, thank you.